Hello, I'm Percy Dias, teaching information systems here in Hong Kong University of Science and Technology for more than 20 years. Welcome all of you to my course, Information Systems, Auditing, Controls and Assurance. Information systems change our lives a lot, the way we work, the way we play over the many years. About 20 years ago, we had to go to the bank branch physically and get our services done. Then about 10 years ago, with e-banking development, we could do some of the banking services in front of our computer. Now we can see that almost everybody has a mobile phone in their hand. So with this, then we have mobile banking. With the virtual banking, we don't have to go to the bank branch. We could do everything using our mobile phone. Problem here is this, whether the money that I'm going to deposit in the virtual bank, will it be safe enough? Somebody need to check those information systems to see whether information systems work where it's supposed to be. So the human touch is the one given by the information systems auditor. Now I would like to introduce a practitioner who has been practicing information systems auditing for many decades, Gloria Look. Hi,
Hello,
Gloria.
Percy.
Nice to meet you again. And could you share with us why information systems auditing is important in organizations nowadays?
I think nowadays IS auditing is getting more and more important, given that many of the companies nowadays, you cannot imagine any of them would not use technologies.
That's true.
Right, so that's why it is very important that IS audit is part of their consideration,
Right.
given that they have adopted different technologies.
Right.
And we need to ensure that whether those technologies is really reliable, especially
That's true.
from the management perspective, whether they can rely on those system data, business data to do
right.
their financial analysis, to do their protection of the business, to understand the customer, what are their behavior and how could they improve the expectation or the customer experience.
Yeah,
So,
because it's a competitive world, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So it's really important nowadays to have all these kinds of advice to be provided to the management and also even to the public so that they can give an idea to the public and management in terms of how the system is providing the solution for the business operations, how can actually help them to improve all those business operations.
That's right.
How would it be more efficient
Yeah.
to perform their daily work,
Yeah.
or whether it is possible to help the management to minimize some tedious manual work as well. So
Yes.
that actually really important to have IT auditor or IS auditor to get into help the companies and the management
Yeah.
so that they could enhance their existing IT controls within their IT environment of the companies.
At the very beginning, I will explain to you guys the most important keywords in information systems auditing, which are risk and the controls. Then we'll talk about IT audit procedures. So the next part would be how to embed controls into your information systems. We talk about system development lifecycle and how the controls can be implemented in the information system itself. Finally, things keep changing. We have to add new modules to the system. We have to correct problems with your information systems. So we call it change management, one of the very important area in information systems. So these are the important key things that I'm going to go through with you all in this course. IT auditing is a teamwork. So in IT auditing team, we have a lot of people with a lot of specialties. So if you're an IT person, would you like to get into know more about controls, assurance? Yes, it's for you. If you're management people, if you would like to learn about a little bit technology and join the IT auditing, yes, this is for you. So this is a course for someone who would like to work hard, who would like to develop yourself for the future. And IT people, non-IT people, doesn't matter. Even if you don't have an IT background, if you get into a big four company, they are going to train you well. So look forward to see you all in my course.